All right, Linus, can you do a segue to today's sponsor?
And this video is brought to you by dbrand, I guess, right?
dbrand.
dbrand.
dbrand. dbrand.
dbrand.
dbrand. dbrand.
dbrand. And it's dbrand.
Yeah, I've got this sponsor, and we have this adversarial relationship. What is this?
dbrand is offering you a unique opportunity.
Height increased insoles. What is the point of this, dbrand? I think there's a phone in there. I kind of felt like I was describing my abusive relationship to them, but telling them everything was okay. dbrand is a serious company.
dbrand sent us a game for us to play. Be not the last one to push a button.
Ah! What are these glyphs? Or what?
All I've been told, imagine if they used, oh my God, how many boxes? Oh my God.
An extra inch couldn't hurt, right? Why would they do this?
Packing peanut.
It's available right, ow, ow. Did dbrand put you up to this?
Yes.
Oh my God, well, you can't do that. Oh my God, you got it on the headphones. And I just wanna know what's in it. Oh, Reapers, okay. One of these days, dbrand is gonna mail me a corpse or something. Capsicum, I think those are bad things. All I know is this is something to do with dbrand. Oh my God. Those, no, I don't like it. It's ridiculous. Shout out dbrand for deceptive advertising practices. I half expect something to pop out of it, stick into my eye.
Linus, in the event of your death,
I would expect it to be dbrand. I need you to commit to sponsoring my funeral if I die.
Is this a fan fiction? Is it art? Is it artfully reimagined? Is it a cape? I have yet to locate a bag of money. I better get paid. We took cash in advance for this, right? They need to pay extra for that.
Is this 100 pounds of chocolate?
You embezzling me? I got a little message from dbrand yesterday. Hey!
Oh, there's actually money in there.
This is it?
You will pay for this. That's my garage door. That's a really weird and f***ed up thing to have in the packaging. Is this from dbrand?
Now you just stand there and look pretty.
Those appear to be glass shards. Did dbrand actually, oh, it stinks, ship me a box of glass shards? Why did we do this?
Because they pay us.
dbrand, our sponsor.
Welcome to the dbrand factory. I'm sure this is some kind of coded insult.
There's no broken glass this time, right?
Yep, that's a picture, all right. Yvonne cried.
Visit dbrand.com/shortlinus.
Shortlinus.com.
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 At shortlinus.com.
Really? Is there another vanity URL?
You guessed it. IamVeryShort.com using code 5'1".
2, 3, 12.
11 and a half iPhones tall. Shortlinus.com or what?
Even better, 11iPhonesTall.com.
Not only did they buy the domain, they keep renewing it.
That was great, but the vanity is short, Linus.
Shortlinus? No, I refuse to read that. Shortlinus. No, they can change my vanity URL today. They can change it. It's gonna be dbrand.com/Linus, and I expect to find something really nice there.
All right, time to go home. See you later.
Assholes.